Welcome friends, in this particular video we are going to discuss the method to get the squares for the numbers after 50 by using the base as 50. You can use this method to get the squares from numbers 51 to 79, but obviously the prerequisite is you must know first 25 or first 30 squares to utilize or to apply this method. So we have 3 examples, and I believe after 3 examples you will easily understand the method and you will easily get any such square in this particular range within some 30 seconds. So I'm starting with the first example. For the first example, your number is 53, so I'm just writing the difference or whatever we have in addition of 50. I'm just writing the number once again here as 3. So just write this difference first. That is your first step. Let's come to the second step. For the second step, look, our answer is divided or our number is divided in 2 parts, last 2 digits and the first 2 digits. That's it. These are the 2 parts. Now for the last 2 digits, what we have to do is just get the square of this number. Whatever you have in addition of 50, just get the square of this difference. So the square of 3 is 9. My last 2 digits should be written as 09. I hope this much is clear to everyone. So the next step, step number 3 is you have to write 5 square over here. So I'm writing 5 square here as 25. There is one more step left now. Whatever the difference is there, that is nothing but 3 in this case. So I'm writing this 3 here and you have to add these numbers. So while adding these numbers, your last 2 digits remain 09. Here 25 plus 3 will be 28 and 2809 is your final answer. I hope this much is clear to everyone. So let's revise the method once again in the second example. 62 is nothing but 12 more than 50. So whatever the difference is there, I'm writing the difference 12 over here because we need this in the further calculation. This is the first step. In the second step, we know the answer is divided in 2 parts, last 2 digits and the first 2 digits. As far as the last 2 digits is concerned, your last 2 digits is nothing but the square of this difference. We want the square of 12, that is 144. So we write 44 here and 1 will be carried forward, right? After this, for this particular number, we write 5 square as 25 because this number is 50 plus 12, right? So as the base is 5 or 50, so we have to write 25 here. Now the last step, whatever the difference is there, we have to add the difference to this particular number. So let's add them. Your last 2 digits will remain as 44. Here the addition will be 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 will be 8 and this will be 3844. I hope you are understanding what exactly we have to do. So I'm giving one more example to reconfirm whatever I have discussed in the first 2 numbers. So let's come to it. Whatever the difference is there in 74, so 74 is 24 more than 50, right? So I'm writing 24. That is the first step. For the second step, we know our answer is divided in 2 parts, first 2 digits and the last 2 digits. As far as last 2 digits are concerned, that is going to be the square of 24. So 24 square is, that's nothing but 576. So I'm writing 76 here, 5 will be carried forward. For the first 2 digits or for the first number, just like the first example and the second example, we will be writing 25 because our base is 50. And the last step, whatever this difference is there, which was 24, this has to be added to this 25 and 5. So when we add all these numbers, let's get the final answer. This 76 will come down as it is. This is 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 10 plus 4 it will be 14. 1 carry forward and you have 5476 as your final answer. If you want, you can just cross check it on calculator, but I believe these 3 examples are enough to understand how to get the squares by using 50 as the base. So I have few more examples for you to practice in my PDF. Just revise that, just go through that within the given limited time, and then we can move to the next particular method by using base as 50.